Let us see in this video how to create a contra voucher for a bank-to-cash transfer. A contra voucher is used to transfer funds within the same organization, typically between cash and bank accounts. In a bank-to-cash contra entry, money is withdrawn from a bank account and added to the organization's cash balance. This transaction does not affect income or expenses, but updates the internal fund position. Use this voucher when recording cash withdrawals from the bank for office use or daily operations. Let us take an example entry. From bank as State Bank of India to cash as Cashier 1. Transfer amount is 45,000. This slide illustrates the contra voucher workflow approval process, which consists of a two-level review and approval. First and foremost, the entries made by the creator will be forwarded to the supervisor. In order to review the document, the supervisor will review it and then forward it to the manager, who take action to approve. The manager will review and approve the document. This is the workflow process. Let us log in with the username and password of the creator's login to create a contra voucher for a bank-to-cash transfer. Click on Login button. Click on Financials, click on Transaction, click on Payments and Receipts. Navigate to the contra voucher screens. Click on Add button to create a new contra voucher entry. In the From Bank field, select the bank account from which the funds are being transferred. The bank currency will be updated automatically based on the bank master, and the voucher prefix will also be updated automatically. Enter the voucher date. This is the date the fund transfer took place, and enter the transfer amount. In the To Bank/Cash field, select the cash account to which the funds are being transferred. To currency will be updated automatically. In the payment mode, users have options such as Checky, RTGS, NEFT, TT transfer, and cash. Hikie type is used for a written order to a bank to pay a specific amount from user's account to someone. RTGS is used for fast, real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT is used to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT transfer is used for electronic transfer of money, often for international payments. Cash type is used for transactions like cash to bank, cash to cash, where physical cash movement is involved between accounts. For this transaction, the user can choose the check type. Enter the check number. The latest check number will be updated automatically. If required, user can change the check number. Enter the check date in the reference date field. For other types, enter the reference number and reference date. Click the Save button. The contra voucher document will be created. For transactions without charges, post the document. For transactions with charges, click the Add button. Select the charges account. The CPC default description will be updated automatically. Enter the charges amount in the Amount field. Click the Save button. For charges without tax, post the document. For transactions with tax charges, update the tax information by clicking on GST Details. Enter the state code. The state description will be updated automatically. Enter the GST supplier name. If the GST number is entered, the GST type will be updated as registered. If the GST number is not entered, the GST type will be updated as unregistered. Enter the GST number manually. Once the GST number has been updated, the PAN number will be updated automatically based on the GST number. Enter the bill date and bill number. Once the tax information has been updated, click the Save button. Then select the appropriate HSN/SAC code. The tax rate will update automatically based on the HSN/RR/SAC code. For intrastate transactions, CGST and SGST tax will be updated automatically. For interstate transactions, IGST tax will be applied. Click on the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created and the charges amount will be updated. Click on View Journal to review the journal. To Bank R, cash account will be debited. The bank charges account will be debited and the tax account will be debited. From Bank R, cash account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded, navigating to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button, navigating to the approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigating to the manager's login. Click the Login button. Navigating to the approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.